pwede ka naman mag-start ng 2008, 2006, not getting the money from 2006 and leaving it there up to 2026, for example. So,
Okay.
magkakaroon siya ng average.
Mm.
Makikita mo na hindi ka naman talaga malulugi. Yun nga lang, mahabang panahon. Kasi malikot
Mm.
yan eh.
Mm.
Average, the stock market can earn around 8 to 10% average, no, for the last 10 years. Ang bonds was earning 4% for the last 10 years.
Mm.
So if you need the money right away, better to invest in bonds
Mm.
kasi ang bonds hindi siya masyado volatile.
Yes,
While the
yes.
stock market or the corporate stock market, medyo volatile yan. So you have
Mm.
to stay, kailangan magstay ka dyan. Yung pera mo will stay like 5 to 10 years.
Mm.
Unlike bonds, mga 5 years, okay lang. The stock market, medyo matagal. So,
Mm.
matagalan talaga. Hindi siya yung mabilisan. Ang
Mm.
crypto, mabilis.
Mm.